Hello, this is Enjima and welcome to my third video on TypeSqf features. In this video we will go through these 3 points and I will answer the question what is a CPack, and I will show you how easy it is with TypeSqf to download and install a CPack, and I will finish it off with creating a complete multiplayer mission with tasks, enemies, civilians and random traffic in less than 2 minutes. So what is a CPack then? A CPack, or a content package, is a package of content, and the content is basically, and most often I'd say, it's source files like SQF files, or maybe some sound or images too, but it can actually be whatever you want. When you install it, it is downloaded automatically from the internet and it's extracted into your Arma 3 mission folder. And to give you a little better picture of what a CPack is and what it can be used for, we can go to the, or you can go to the TypeSqf website, typesqf.com, and go to the CPack section. And here you enter the CPack gallery. For this video, I will show you as an example the CPack toffe.randomHousePatrol, and that is a CPack that contains a script that will allow you to have a unit patrol a house randomly, and we will see how that will be done. Now, in Arma 3 we go to the editor to create a new mission. Let's use this house. We put in ourselves, like an engineer, and we save the mission. Remember to always check out this binarize the scenario file when you use TypeSqf, and let's give it a name: Random House Patrol Mission, like that. Then we open TypeSqf and we create a new project for this mission. So we go to the randomhousepatrol.stratis mission and open the mission.sqf. And now we need to install the CPack in here. So we go to Tools and the CPack console and install the CPack like this: install toffe.randomHousePatrol. Enter, and here it comes. And now we can see the content of the CPack. It's this script here that is with the documentation and the code. And to use this, we go back to Arma, and in Arma we put in the unit that will be the patrolling unit, and now we go to the CPack gallery again. Let's read about the Random House Patrol CPack. Here we can see some basic information. We see the version, we see the author, we see the publish date and the compatibility stuff. It's compatible to Arma 2, Arma 3, and it works in single player, multiplayer, dedicated server, and it's YIP compatible. It has 7 downloads. Here he has left us some information regarding the script, and here beneath the usage header we have the information we need now. Put this in the init field of a unit and put it next to or on a house. Well, we've done that, so now we copy this and we paste it on the init field of the patrolling unit. Okay, then we save and we try this. Okay, the unit is gone, so something must have happened. Let's try to find it. Should be in here somewhere. There it is. And it's patrolling. So thanks to Toffe, we didn't need to do this ourselves. We just installed the CPack and had this guy patrolling the house randomly. Let's see if he can move to another position too. Okay, so we have covered the two first parts of this video, and it's time for the challenge. Are you ready with your stopwatch? I will just prepare by creating a new scenario, and we can be up here. So I'm starting in 3, 2, 1, now. We need 2 riflemen because this will be a co-op mission, and the first one will be player and the second one will be playable. Then we save this mission as point of no return. We make sure the binary scenario file is unchecked and we save this. So now we have a mission in the ARMA editor, and now we need to create a new project, point of no return, in the TypeSqf editor. And when we've done that, this is a co-op mission, as I said, so we will add a description.exe file, description.ext, and we're lucky because we have a description.ext template that we can use, and this is ngma. The load name is point of no return, and the overview text will be the same. So here it is. We can just save that, and we go on to creating the tasks. And for the tasks, we will use a CPack that is called ngma.simpletasks. So here's what it does, and we install it. So we go to Tools, the CPack console, and type install ngma.simpletasks. Okay, here it is. If we read, we will see that there will be a file that is called missiontasks.sqf, and here are some example tasks, and we will use just the first one, and we will name it get to point beta. Get to point beta. Okay, after the tasks, we will need, of course, we will also make sure that the task is set to succeeded when we arrive to point beta, and this is point beta. So we put in a trigger here that is this big, and here it is, and on activation we will add this line that sets the task as succeeded, and the name of the task is get to point beta, which is one of the arguments that we send to this function set task state. Next thing is we need some enemies, and for that we will create a shape. Okay, here it is. It's a little too big. Let's make it 30 like that. And this is where the patrol units will be. So a patrolling unit, so we call it enemy marker. And for the patrolling units, we will use a CPack that is called ngma.patrol areas. And the ngma.patrol areas is putting units on markers, so that's what we made this marker for. So we install that by typing install ngma.patrol areas. It has some dependencies, so it installs them too. We configure the patrol areas by putting the patrol marker here, which is enemy marker. And what's left now is the traffic, so we go to tools, CPack console, and type install ngma.traffic, and here it comes, and we save the mission, and I think we're ready. No, actually there's one more thing, and that is the trigger. We forgot to set activation blue for present. Then this will hit, and I think we're ready, so let's play this. Okay, here I am, and where's my teammate? Here's my teammate. Let's see, where is there any enemies? Be here somewhere. There, I see them. Okay, they're down. And there it goes. So what about the traffic? Have you seen any traffic? Yeah, here it is. Some random civilian traffic moving around on the map. You can see one down there too. So that's it. And just one more thing so that you will not think that I'm cheating. Uh, it might seem like a little magic because I just installed the CPack traffic and I did nothing more about the traffic, and the traffic just was there. And I will also explain why. And this is why, because the init file has been created, and the CPack authors are allowed to add just one line to the init file, and that is what has happened here. So the CPacks in that way auto starts. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.